Now, your first alert forecast from Live 5 News.
Welcome back with us here at Live 5 News on this Tuesday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Stephanie Sine, once again tracking the tropics. This is Milton again. Hurricane hunters actually diving into this system and finding even lower pressure within Milton this afternoon and evening. So re-strengthening, that's exactly what we're seeing here. As we take a look at our tropical satellite imagery, you can see a very well-defined eye this evening. And really over the next day or so, Milton will continue to kind of fluctuate back and forth with different strength intensity here. But we are at Category 5, back to a Category 5 status. This is what we were at this time yesterday, actually. And you can see that pressure has dropped to around 905 millibars, very low pressure, moving east-northeast at 9 miles per hour, eventually making that landfall around the Tampa area, even just south of there, as you can see. And actually, the National Hurricane Center has kind of slowed down this track a little bit. You can see we now are expecting that landfall to really occur after midnight, Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. Thankfully, plenty of folks evacuating, really heeding those orders from officials in that area to evacuate a few spots around the Tampa area for storm surge. We're talking about dangerous, possibly even deadly storm surge in some spots. As it moves over Florida, you can see it will slowly weaken, kind of interacting with land, of course, moving back over the Atlantic Ocean, far away from the Charleston area. That is fantastic news for us. We still have the chance to feel some gusty wind, though, maybe even see some of that storm surge, a little bit of beach erosion. Tropical storm watch in effect for a few spots, and once again, those gusty winds kind of kicking in as we move throughout the day on Thursday. So here's our gust forecast as we move throughout your Thursday morning. This is 8 a.m. Some gusts in the upper 20s to around 30, possibly around 40 close to the coastline. I'd say that's about the highest we're going to get here. Talking about our live radar, back to the here and now. It's pretty nice outside, not bad this afternoon and evening. Live radar, you can see why it's not too bad out there. Have a cold front moving offshore, as you can see. Really not much of a rain chance as we move throughout the overnight hours or even through our Wednesday. Definitely cloudy tomorrow. We're going to start to see those outer bands of clouds from Milton move into the area from the south, as you can see. And this is our rain chance. This is how low our rain chance is with those outer bands of Milton. This is 5 a.m. Thursday morning. You can see possibly a few coastal showers, maybe even throughout the afternoon. That's about it. This is 4 o'clock Thursday afternoon, a mainly dry end to the day for our Thursday. So really it's just that storm surge, more of a marine impact storm right along our coastline at our beaches. We could definitely see some of that erosion. Temperatures right now are ranging from the 70s to 80s depending on where you are. Plan it for the rest of your evening. If you're out and about running some errands, we'll eventually drop off into the 70s, and check out our low temperatures tonight. Very nice. If you've been hoping and wishing for fall temperatures to return, tonight is the night. 54 in Manning, also in King Street, 59 into Moncks Corner, 61 in Goose Creek, the same in North Charleston, 58 in Walterboro. So definitely cooler than previous nights. High temperatures tomorrow with those increasing clouds from the south, from that storm system. Over the Gulf, you can see we're going to stay below average, actually in the 70s, and overnight lows will stay on the cooler side as well. Check it out with our 7-day forecast. Once again, high impact day on Thursday, just because of those potential impacts from Milton as we continue to track the storm. Should dry out by Friday. Beautiful end to the week and a great weekend. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures in the 70s and 80s.
Well, as another potentially devastating hurricane barrels toward the west coast of Florida.